Thinking about investing in US rental property in 2026? Is it still a golden ticket? The short answer is yes, but it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all situation. Let's break it down. First, let's talk supply and demand. We've seen a huge number of new apartments hit the market, but that's starting to slow down. By 2026 and 2027, we expect way fewer new units being built. Meanwhile, experts say the US needs over 4 million more apartments in the next decade. That huge demand, coupled with slowing supply, is a great sign for landlords. But here's the catch. Location is everything. While the Midwest and Northeast are seeing solid rent growth, some cities in the Southeast and West are struggling with too much supply, and rents are actually flat or even dropping. It really pays to do your homework on specific regions. What about the money side? Well, there's good news. Interest rates are expected to be lower in 2026, which makes getting a loan or refinancing much easier. The tough part is still the down payment. You'll likely need to put down 20 to 25%, which is a big chunk of change. So, what's the final verdict? Most property managers are feeling optimistic, predicting decent growth. Rents are expected to settle back into their normal, steady climb of about 3.5% a year. While there are challenges, the basic outlook for rental property in 2026 is strong. For savvy investors who plan carefully, there are some great long-term opportunities ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.